Hey guys, today we're going to talk about something every guitarist has faced at some point in their journey, which is rusty guitar strings. Now, rusty guitar strings might not seem like a big deal at first, but trust me, they can ruin your playing experience in terms of your tone, even your motivation to pick up the guitar as well. So in today's video, we are gonna break it down into 3 simple parts. Firstly, what rust actually is. Secondly, how rusty guitar strings affect your playing and tone. And most importantly, how to keep your guitar strings from rusting. What is rust? Alright, quick science lesson. Rust is basically what happens when the metal in your guitar strings reacts with oxygen and moisture in the air. And since our hands are naturally sweaty and oily, we are basically feeling that rust every time we play the guitar. Think of it like this, every jam session is secretly a science experiment happening right under your fingertips. So how rust affects your playing and tone? Rusty guitar strings feel rough and uncomfortable to play, making slides and bends more painful. It loses its brightness in tone and more likely to break very easily, which is absolute worst if you're in the middle of a performance. Finally, how to keep your guitar strings from rusting. So, my first suggestion would be very simple yet super effective, which is washing your hands before you play. I know it sounds kinda basic, but clean hands can actually make a huge difference and give your strings a much longer life. Now, if your strings are already starting to rust, do not worry, you can still fix it. For this, you will need a string cleaner. Personally, I like using Fast Thread by GHS. It works as both a cleaner and a lubricant. Here's how you do it. Grab a soft cloth or a tissue, apply the cleaner, and then slide the cloth underneath each string. Once it's in place, just run it up and down the length of the string. Do this for all 6 strings, and you'll actually see some of the rust coming off into the cloth. Plus, the strings will instantly feel smoother and sound brighter. And one more recommendation. If you want to avoid this problem in future, try switching to coated strings like Elixir, D'Addario. They might cost a little more, but they last much longer and resist rust way better. So yeah, this is how you fight the eternal war against rusty guitar strings. Take care of your guitar and it'll take care of your music. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more guitar tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.